The strangest moments in snowboard history. What's the wildest thing that can happen in a snowboard competition? How about losing a guaranteed gold medal in a split second? In the high-stakes world of pro-winter sports, snowboarding, the line between glory and disaster is razor thin. The golden grab. Picture it at the 2006 Winter Olympics in Turin. American snowboarder Lindsey Jacobellis is dominating the first ever women's snowboard cross final. She has a colossal lead, victory is certain. On the second-to-last jump, just feet from the finish line, she decides to celebrate with a stylish grab for the crowd, but she holds it a fraction of a second too long. She loses her balance, catches an edge, and tumbles into the snow. As the world watched in shock, the second-place rider, Tanya Frieden, cruised past to snatch the gold. Jacobellis recovered for silver, but a surefire gold medal had vanished in one of the biggest unforced errors in sports history. A sport of strange moments. That moment became a legend. But it's not the only bizarre story in snowboarding's history. The sport's Olympic debut in 1998 saw the very first gold medalist, Ross Rabagliati, stripped of his medal for testing positive for marijuana, only to have it returned days later on a legal technicality. That same year, the world's best rider, Terje Håkansson, boycotted the Games entirely to protest the International Ski Federation's control over the sport's Olympic debut. But the Jacobellis story has the ultimate ending. For 16 long years, that fall haunted her through 3 more Olympics. Then, in 2022, a 36-year-old Jacobellis returned to the Games in Beijing. This time she rode flawlessly, crossed the finish line, and finally won that elusive individual gold. It was a full-circle moment that closed one of the most painful and ultimately triumphant chapters in sports history. What do you think is the strangest moment? Let me know in the comments, and hit subscribe for more sports stories.